To the video yet again, and today I'm going to be playing some more demolition, but I do not know how to pronounce it, so do not make fun of me in the comments. And yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna be playing this game again. And if you guys are liking these videos and I should make a series on it, comment down below. I don't care if you don't. I'm still gonna make a series on this game because I love the game. So if you guys haven't already, make sure you like, subscribe, turn that post notification so you never miss an upload. And let's go back into let's get back into the video. Alrighty, Lego. Binga, 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 bidi, bidum, bidi, bidi, bidi. Die, get 'em, haha, got 'em. Get 'em, no, they gon' get me. Bro, this man is stuck in slow motion, look at that. No, they trying to get me. Why did somebody just send me a friend request, but I'll accept it? Oh my god, I died. You're tired, you can't resist anymore. You were bitten by the monster. Something is spreading around your body. Guys, my favorite color is blue. Just so you guys know that. Just in case I ever ask you guys what's my favorite color, it's blue. Get him, get him, get him, get him. I got him, I got him. Got him, bro, got him, bro. Yo. You're dead, bro. Bing, boom, bing, bing, boom, boom, bing, ganga. Wait, wasn't he in my last game? In my last YouTube video, guys? He was in my game? I really don't know this person, but... Oh my god. Ooh, dying. Got him right in the face while he was walking. Hold up. Wait. Oh, I'm about to say, this person friended me. Dying. One of them got her. I know one of them already got her. Oh, you want to hit me, bro? You want to hit me? You want to hit me? You want to hit me, though? Come here. Come here. You want to hit me, though? You want to hit me and then try to break out. You want to do that? That's what we doing? I don't think that. I don't think so. I don't think so. Because you're a zombie just like me now. One of these demons, bro. One of these demons. One of these demons. Come here, bro. My favorite is infected, by the way. Not on Piggy, but... Come here! Come here. Come here, boy. Excuse me. Come here, boy. No. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. No. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Lego got another person. Got another one again. You're tired. This person was hitting me, so I had to get him. Yeah, that's what you get. Okay, I'm not gonna be talking that much. So you. Oh no, don't reset. I'm not gonna be talking that much. Oh shoot. Oh, I got him. Got him. Let's go. Come on, get him. Oh my god. I'm not gonna be talking that much, so I'm turning this up. Dying. Dodged him. No. I'm so dumb. Like, literally, I did not even see that coming. I didn't even notice that it was there for some reason. Oh, let's go. Got another one, bro. Oh my god, you're stupid. You're stupid. You know what, since you're stupid? Come on, I almost had her. Let's go. She turned into a zombie. Because I didn't really like her. Because she thinks she's a super... Oh. I feel like people keep running into that by accident. Come here, bro. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh my god, bro. I came. Oh, you know what? Why would they even add that there? I really want to know why they added that there. Because what is the point of it being there? Get me, I'm right here. Why they acting so stupid? Because I was right there and they didn't touch me. I'm just gonna run into this. Because I want to be a zombie. Wait, I actually forgot that's right there. Hey, yo, get him. Get him, Chad. Got him. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna put this right here. Time. And then when I get somebody, I'm just gonna like put that out like while I'm getting them. Come on, come on. Sleep time. Yay, boy. And now I'm gonna put this. Calm down. Calm down. Literally, they ran into me. I didn't even want to get them. Calm down. Down. It's okay. Okay, so I'm good right now. Dying. He just got her like that. Get him, get him, get him, get him. Boom, 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 baby, bop, yeah. Come here, come here, come here, bro. Come here, bro. Come here, bro. Come here, bro. I'm sorry, guys. Wait, why does that look like Albert? Come here, Buster. Buster, come here, Buster. Come here, Buster. Come here, Buster. Will you leave me alone and come here, Buster? You know what? I'm just gonna leave him alone. I'm gonna leave them alone, I mean. Why I can't even grab or gun whatever their name is because they're too fat. Their character's too thick to even pick up. Calm down, it's okay. Oh, so you want to do that? I don't even like you anymore. I do not even like you anymore. But guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. I know it's a pretty short video, but that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.